Hello and welcome to this introduction video. Today we have published a package of composite material simulation and analysis package in Abaqus here. Click on title or blue sign. This is continue, and then you will have first an introduction to composite materials in Abaqus. Here you can read then some key points in the composite modeling in Abaqus, like material approach, modeling type, failure analysis, progressive failure, delamination, and anything that you need to know as an introduction. Here we have some figures of the models in the package. These are not all, some of them, but you can see the result of the composite material modeling in Abaqus under many situations like bending, compression, impact, explosion, everything you can see here. You can see here the equation of the composite and the rule, and then the theory of the laminate failure theory. You can see here as a Tesai-Hill, I don't know, the Hashing damage criterion and anything, and then the applications and the conclusion here. In this package, you will learn all type of composites, modeling and simulation like carbon fiber or CFRP, GFRP, BFRP, AFRP, I don't know, jute epoxy, banana fiber, and then the Escolas polyester fiber, uh, anything that you know, like bamboo fiber. This is the composite, another composite material. During 25 lectures, 25 tutorials, or 25 items, you will learn everything about the composite material in Abaqus, 25 separate models or tutorials. And then the price of this package with 29 titles is 89 euros. You can use a PayPal account, a Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. If you are interested in composite package, send me an email here. Then I will tell you more about the package content, payment ways, the download link, anything that you need to know. So don't hesitate and send me an email. Thank you for your attention.